Here's how you can get immediate assistance via the Airtel Thanks app. Open your Airtel Thanks app. This is your home screen. Click on the Help option located on the bottom right of your screen. On the Help screen, click on Chat Now. This is Airtel Chatbot. It will assist you in getting resolution for all your queries on the go. Just select the desired button to interact, or use the Type button to type in your query in order to explain your concern better. Pressing the Actions button will give you access to tracking or raising a new request, addressing network queries, and much more. Or click on the microphone and direct your assistance through voice commands. Tap the Settings button to change the preferred language for the chatbot and converse with it in a language of your choice. Our chatbot will interact, troubleshoot, and resolve all your issues. Find answers to all your queries on a single platform with the Airtel Thanks app.